Everyone seems to have trouble center standing their vintage motorcycle. Using the center stand is a really good idea. It's better for the fuel system, a more secure method of parking the bike, and if you aren't using the center stand, you're probably cutting corners and maintaining your drive chain, which should not be. Look at how simple center standing is. Let's look at this again, from a different angle. Notice, no tugging, no yanking. And again, yet from another perspective. Okay, it's simple, but let's break it down. The right foot is on the center stand, pointing forward, and is parallel with the motorcycle. Most people get this wrong. Touch the center stand down and feel for both of the stand's pads touching the floor. The right hand then grips the pull handle, and note, the right foot and the right hand are as near inline vertically as possible, one over the other. The closer they are this way, the better. Note the shift of weight onto the right foot, and at the very same time, the pull upward. Weight down, pull up. And let's look at it one more time. Get used to using your center stand. It's a versatile and important part of your motorcycle. And once you unlearn some bad habits, very easy to use.